With Orano, the future of uranium mining is agile, flexible, safe, and sensitive to the environment. Introducing the Surface Access Borehole Resource Extraction, or SABRE, mining method. This new technique unlocks small, high-grade deposits that were previously deemed too costly to mine using conventional methods. SABRE has been developed by Orano and its partner in the McClean Lake Joint Venture over the past 20 years. The mining method uses precise drilling and high-pressure water jetting to mine uranium ore bodies, all from the surface. Unlike an underground mine or open pit, there is no need to construct shafts, tunnels, or ramps to access the ore, and no large amounts of waste rock to manage. Processed water is recycled, and the non-entry mining reduces worker risk and exposure to radiation. Let's take a closer look at how the Surface Access Borehole Resource Extraction, or SABRE, mining method works. Once an ore body has been discovered by the exploration team, a small mining pad is constructed directly above the deposit. The pad is lined to contain mining materials and protect the surrounding environment. On the surface you will see a drilling rig, a mining area with a mining rig, operator control station, an electrical control house, high-pressure pump station, recycled water supply tanks, or liquid separation system, or storage area, water collection and settling ponds, and heavy equipment such as loaders and haul trucks. Underground, the ore is precisely identified for extraction. The first step of the mining process is to drill a large diameter hole into the bedrock. A conductor casing is installed and cemented in place. This casing is sealed to the pad liner to ensure containment of water and mining material. Next, a pilot hole is drilled from surface through to below the uranium deposit. This pilot hole helps precisely determine the top and bottom of the ore body to be targeted for mining. Next, the pilot hole is widened to create a larger diameter hole required for the insertion of the mining tool. Casing is installed to the top of the ore body and cemented into place. The access hole is complete and we are ready to mine. When mining starts, the concrete is drilled through to access the ore body. The patented mining tool has a high-pressure water jet nozzle that cuts into the ore while rotating 360 degrees. The ore cavity may be up to 6 meters in width. The ore slurry is airlifted through the mining pipes to the surface. A sump below the ore body collects any fragments. On surface, the ore slurry passes through a separation system that removes ore from the process water. The recovered water is transferred to settling ponds and recycled for use in the mining system. The ore is stored on a dedicated pad for transfer to the mill by haul trucks. Once mining is completed, a sonar log is conducted to accurately map the cavity in 3D, ensuring that the ore is extracted and helping determine how much backfill is required. A grouting unit pumps a cement mixture down the hole to fill from the bottom up. The process is repeated until the ore body is mined out. When the mining of an ore body is complete, the mining pad is removed and the site is regraded to match the surrounding area and revegetated with local plants. Because of the small footprint, a SABRE mining area can be quickly and easily reclaimed when compared to an open pit or underground mine. SABRE is a non-entry mining method, which means that no one enters the mine workings. This has conventional safety benefits and reduces radiological exposure for miners and contractors. All workers receive advanced radiation protection training, and the area is monitored by the McClean Lake Radiation Protection Group. Radon levels are typically very low as the activity is conducted in the open air. The SABRE mining method produces significantly less waste and uses less fresh water than conventional open pit or underground mining. Surface disturbance is minimized, the footprint is very small, and there's no need for large surface waste rock stockpiles. With a first-to-ore timeline of months rather than years, the SABRE mining method can be deployed quickly. Changes and improvements to the technique continue to make the method more efficient and scalable. Some of the careers associated with SABRE include mining, maintenance, and trades positions. The ore mined by this method will be processed at the McClean Lake Mill. With the addition of new ore sources unlocked by SABRE, the mill has more flexibility and opportunities to keep producing into the future. For more information, please contact Orano through your local community liaison or the engagement team in Saskatoon.